Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide any file inside a picture or image in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application named as 7zip, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it and you can see its website. So here you will get some download options for your Windows computer. So the first one you can see here on the first line is a stable version. If you want to try the latest beta version, then you can download any one of it. So there is a 64 and 32-bit. So if you have a 64-bit, then you can use either 32 or 64-bit, and if you have a 32-bit only, then just download the 32-bit. So I've already downloaded and installed it from before, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it. Then after that, just open the file explorer and locate to the folder where you have kept the files. So in my case, you can see here I have kept in the D drive. So I want to hide this zip file under the picture file. So you can see here this is a picture file. So let me open it. So this is a picture, right? So I want to hide this file, whether it's a zip file, text file, or the files or the folders. You can do the same tricks. So here I'm going to use a zip file. So by dragging you can hide it like that, right? So before proceeding, what you need to do, you can see here on the upper tab name as view, just click on it and just enable this file name extensions. So now you can see the extension of the respective file, right? So this picture file is .jpg and this is the zip file, so it's a .zip. So now what you need to do, just move your cursor to the start and now just search for one program named as command from. So you can see here command from, just open and run it. So in our case it's in the D drive, right? So by default it's showing a C drive, so we'll just select the D drive. So for this just type D and put a colon and hit enter. Now it will be shifted to the D drive. So let us clear the screen for your better looking. So type CLS and hit enter. Now it will clear entire screen. So now we have moved to the D drive or selected the D drive. So before proceeding further, just type one more command cd enter so that we can check directory on the D drive. Just type again CLS to clear the screen. So now what you need to do, you need to type some commands. So just type copy space type slash. Now it's in the D drive, right? Just type D space. So now you need to type the name of the picture file. So you can see here grass.jpg. So type grass.jpg. So in your case it might be different name, so just look at your file name and just type as according to this video. And now type plus and we'll type grass.zip. so I'm typing the first and the second file name, and after that just hit space and just type again grass.jpg. So we have completely typed the command. Now after typing this enter command, just hit enter. So you can see here one file is copied, right? So the grass.zip and the grass.jpg are copied in a one file, that is in the grass.jpg. So how we can confirm that the file, this zip file, is inside the grass.jpg? So for this we need to rely on the third-party software like the WinRAR or 7zip or WinZip, whatever archive files you want to use, you can use. So here I am using a 7zip as I have shown you before. So let us close this file, right? So now just move your cursor back to the start and just search for 7zip, which we have downloaded and installed earlier. Just open this file and now you can see its user interface, right? So in my case the file which I have edited is in the D drive, right? So just double left click it. Now you can see here we have a picture file grass.jpg, right? So if I click on open there is only a single file, right? So but still there is also a zip file included in this grass.jpg. So to find it out or to confirm it, what you can do here is you can see here on the upside file, right? Just click on it, and now here are tons of options you can see, and here you can see one option name is open inside with the hashtag symbol, right? So just click on it. Voila. Now you can see here, you can see inside the grass.jpg file there are two files. You can see that is written one and one is 2.jpg. So what is those files? We'll just find it out. So for this, what you can do here is you can click on extract, right? So let us extract it in the desktop. So I'll just sense the location, and I will just click on OK, and I'll just click on OK. Now you can see here two files which I have extracted inside present inside a JPG file. So let us find out what is 1 and what is 2. So let us try to rename this. Just right click on it and select rename. So I'll just type 1. So the extension was JPG, right? So after typing this, just hit enter. Voila. Now you can get the first file, right? And the second file is already in the zip. So you can just right click on it and you can just click on extract to extract this file. So this is how you can hide any file inside a picture or image in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.